Easily digestible puree wet cat food pouch packaging machinery is manufactured by Shanghai Fubo Packaging Machinery Company. The feature of this machine. 1. Specifically designed for thick meat pastes. It is primarily suited for meat paste, meat sauce materials with a moisture content as high as 75–85% to ensure smooth and accurate filling. It is typically equipped with a piston pump or rotary pump, and the machine body is made of Sus 304 stainless steel, meeting food-grade hygiene standards, and is corrosion-resistant and easy to clean. 2. Sealing and preservation. Seal tightly. The high moisture and oil content of wet grains places extremely high demands on sealing. This machine typically employs high-precision heat sealing technology to ensure a tight, leak-free seal.